Hey guys, just removed the alternator from this Chinese shit, Sany sy50 something, and the only way to remove it is from here. You can't open this thing, and the original procedure says remove this thing, this whole radiator thing, and then you can access over there, you know, for alternator over there. But I somehow hold on, I somehow removed it from here, from the back of the machine. Here's the plugs, and that's the main bracket is, and that's where it normally goes. So yeah, somehow I did it from here. So tried searching on YouTube, I couldn't find any video, so I tried to make a video and upload, so somebody might be in trouble. They'll know then. Okay, bye.